Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to print multiple rows in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to print. Now click on the row number just below the last row you want to print. For example, if you want to print the first 3 rows, select row 4. Navigate to the View tab and click on Print Pans drop-down button. From here, select Print Pans. Excel will print the rows above your selection. Scroll down in your worksheet and you will see that the selected rows are frozen and remain visible as you scroll through. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.